I'm going to go over the flash process for installing new software on the Tesla battery module monitor. You go to this website, which will be linked here, and you click Connect. Now, if your dial is plugged in here with a USB-C cable, that's good. You'll see it on some port. It will look different if you're Mac or PC, but generally the same. You'll see a funny thing there that says something similar to that. You click on it, it says connecting, and then click install. Do you want to erase and install? Yes. The dial will go black as it erases it and flashes the new firmware. It only takes about 40 seconds or so. Then TBMM will come back up searching for modules. Now you see the Wi-Fi parts I added in here are showing up. Let's go over that next. It says installation complete. What do you want to do? Logs or console? Nothing. You're all done. But next step, if you want to, is connect to the Wi-Fi to be able to add this device to your Wi-Fi network. Now, I'm in an apartment today with tons and tons of Wi-Fi, but this one here says TBMM something, which matches the same something as right here. I click on that. It's going to ask me to configure the Wi-Fi, and I'm going to click on configure Wi-Fi. For some reason, I usually have to click it twice. I don't know why. It's going to show me the 1,000 Wi-Fi devices on my network here in my current location. And I'm going to look for Flex Home something. Yep. And then my password. Enter. Saving credentials. This thing's going to flash. It will rejoin the network. And now you see an IP address at the bottom there. That's going to be your best bet. It's not coming in clear on this video, but I can see that it says 192.168.1.124. And this gives me the Tesla battery module monitor website. And if I click here, I'll see information on the battery that it's plugged into. Now in this case, I don't have it plugged into any battery, so it's showing me nothing. But in the case where you had this plugged into a real battery module, you would see the log information here, all the data about the current module. Any questions, please contact me.